Hello guys, samahan niyo ako guys, mag-garden tayo. Ayan, sapat na naman ang i-garden ko ngayon guys, kasi yung mga pat sa bahay dinala ko rito. Ayan, oh, dami-daming i-garden kasi magtanim ako ng eggplant. Ayan, oh, marami. Lagyan ko na ng lupa, magtanim na ako. Okay guys, let's go. Samahan niyo ako. Ayan guys, sapat na naman tayo magtanim kasi ang dami kong mga itatanim at saka ang dami kong patay yan. Ayan, maglagay na naman tayo ng mga pananim sapat. Marami akong itatanim dahil marami akong eggplant na itatanim. Yan, binigay ni Sis Milit yung yung eggplant. Kaya tingnan natin dahil yung garden may mga natanim na ako. So ngayon ipalagay ko siya sa pot yung eggplant. Tingnan natin kung anong kalabasan nito. Ayan. Tanim tayo guys. Okay. Tingnan nyo na lang. Ayan. Laging pagod sa kakagarden pero okay lang. Ayan. Oh. Hirap kayong umupo. Di bali. Ayan. Dami kong tinatanim. Diba? Ayan na siya guys. Mahirap magtanim guys, pero okay lang. Ayan. Terno yan sa puti lahat ilagay yung eggplant. Marami kasi, alam mo, ano siya, 10 talaga. 10 yung eggplant. So, I hope na mabubuhay to lahat. Ang aking tanim na eggplant. At saka, ano daw to, Chinese eggplant. Yung mahahaba. Dito kasi maraming eggplant yung, ano ba, yung circle. Ano ba yun? Yung maiksi. Ito mahaba. So, kaya talagang binigyan ko ng time at saka bumili kami ng fertilizer at tatanim. So, ngayon ko tingnan natin next week kung anong kalabasan nito. Kasi ngayon, ay nako, pagod na ako. Pero okay lang. Tatapusin natin kung gaano to ang kalabasan. Okay guys, let's go. Samahan ako.
I can't believe the night lay waste to all we'd given. But honestly, you've gotta know that this ain't living. But we could run from Elysium and let it burn, let it burn. You've gotta know that nothing lasts forever. I can't believe myself. I never thought that this would be our end, but it's nothing new. And my lover's honesty, I can push it back down if I have to. if you want me to, 'cause we can run, and we can run. The stars they fall all for you. So tell me now, what's left to lose if we run? If we run. If we run. Forever.
Ayan na guys, malapit na matapos. So, malapit na matapos ang aking tinatanim. O, nakikita niyo naman kung gaano kadaming tinanim ko. O, ayan, malapit na guys. Malapit na silang matapos. Pagod, but okay lang, may nagawa. O, ayan. Hila dito, hila doon, tayo, upo. Yan ang aking gawa. O, diba? Akala niyo hindi mahirap magtanim, pero okay lang. Ganun ang buhay ng mahilig mag-garden. Kahit mainit, kahit mahirap, okay lang. Masaya naman after. O, diba? O, sinong relate dyan? Nagtatanim. Kasi ang garden, nataniman ko na lahat, kaya nasapat na naman. Diba? Yan na guys. O, halik kayo. Samahan nyo na naman ako. Mag-garden tayo. Okay, let's go.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only a day. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this. Young blood made of gold, a mind you can't control. Running wild, can't come down. My head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep